Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SettBro. Today I'll walk you through the process of getting a Schengen visa through Sweden. The main reason for choosing Sweden for applying for the Schengen visa is that they offer appointments as soon as you submit the online application form. Stay with me till the end of the video for more details. But before we dive in, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. On this channel, you'll find all the visa and travel tips and itineraries. Your support truly encourages us to make more informative videos for you. So let's get started. First things first, you'll apply Sweden Schengen visa through VFS Global. Open your web browser and search for VFS. Click on this link. The link is also mentioned in the description below. On this page, choose the country you are applying from. I'm selecting UK. Select Sweden as the country you will be traveling to. Then click Take me to the website. This will take you to the Sweden website. Here you will find step-by-step guide. If you click on Apply for Visa, you'll find all the information to begin the Schengen visa application, such as required documents, fees, processing time, etc. I have uploaded a separate video on that. Do note that the fees has been increased from €80 to €90 from 11th of June 2024. As we already know these details, we will jump on to book appointment. Appointments are usually hard to find, especially in summer for major countries, but we won't have that problem. Let's look at it. If you already have an account, enter your email ID and click Send OTP to receive it. If not, click on Sign Up and fill in your details, such as email address, mobile number, and nationality. You'll receive a verification email to activate your account. Check your email to activate it. Once activated, return to the website and click Login. Enter your registered email address, click Send OTP, enter the OTP and sign in. Let's start the application. Click on New Application. Specify if you're applying for yourself or someone else. I'm applying for myself, I'll select Self. The application has 10 steps, and at the end, you will book the appointment. For Sweden, you will need to submit all the documentations like hotel reservations, flight tickets, etc. before booking the appointment. Many people avoid this method because of the lengthy process, but I did it because appointments were available immediately after submitting the application. Do ensure to apply for student visa or any Schengen visa at least 1 to 2 months before your travel date. And it is better to book 100% refundable ticket or a dummy ticket and a free cancellation hotel reservation. In case of delays or visa refusal, you can amend or cancel these. Let's fill out the application. Fill in your personal details such as first name, last name, nationality, passport type, passport number, date of birth, purpose of travel, which is tourism in this case, contact details, email address, and country of application, which is nothing but the country where you are applying from. Select your nearest application center for the appointment, which will give you a pop-up message for the earliest appointment date. If you have submitted biometrics for a Schengen visa in the last 59 months, provide the visa sticker number and date. If they can retrieve your biometrics, you won't need to book an appointment and can just drop your passport at the VFS center. Otherwise, you will be asked to provide new biometrics by booking the appointment. If this is your first Schengen visa application, select Now and book an appointment to give your biometrics. Click on View More for detailed information. Tick both the boxes and click Continue. It's time for payment. You usually receive email notifications for free, but you can add additional services like SMS and courier services for your passport if needed. I am not adding them. You can have a look at the fee breakdown. The tourist visa fee was £69 when I applied, but now it should be around £76. And courier charges to the Swedish Migration Agency are £40, totaling around £109. Tick both the checkboxes and continue to payment. You can pay by debit card or credit card. After successful payment, you will be directed to the application main page and receive a payment confirmation email with the visa application number. It's time to upload the documents. Click Continue with the application. Ensure all required documents are handy and each file is less than 1 MB. You need to submit the following documents: recent passport photo, financial support, that is funds for the trip, savings or investments, last 3 months bank statement, accommodation, hotel reservation, passport, BRP, travel insurance, flight ticket, travel itinerary, and a letter from your employer if you are a working professional. But if you are a student, then you need to get a letter from your university for traveling abroad. Then click Save and Continue. Fill in your passport details on this page as it is on your passport. Provide your employer details and make sure it is matching with your occupational proof letter. Enter your flight details on this page. Provide accommodation details and click Save and Continue. It is asking for additional details: personal contact, address, purpose of travel, and BRP details. It's time to submit your application for review. It will take a few days for your application to be reviewed, and once it is done, you'll receive an email with the subject VFS Global. Your student visa application form is ready. The email will also show the next steps to follow. Also, the email will have the application form. You got to print and sign it manually and upload the application form on the website. Once the application form is uploaded, book your appointment. I received the review email on 18th May, which was Saturday, and appointments were available from 20th May, which is Monday. Choose your convenient date and time and arrive at the VFS center 15 minutes before your scheduled time. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All the best for your Schengen visa application. Thank you. Jai Hind.